Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tazib sir, and today we are going to learn new exercise number 7B. So now first of all we do the brief revision of last lecture. Okay, first of all let's check here today's code, and then after we move all, my dear students. So now let's check today's code. If you can dream it, you can do it. What if you can dream it, you can do it? Okay, now let's check today's contents. Means today we are going to learn this all things. So today's contents means today we will going to learn a fraction in exercise number 7B, question number 4 and question number 5. In last lecture, my dear students, exercise number 7B, question number 1, 2 and 3 we have done. Okay, yesterday I was taught you, and now today we are going to learn question number 4, study the shaded region and fill in the box, and question number 5, observe the grouping and fill in the blanks to find the factors of a number. Okay, and next topic is what? To find the factors of number. Again I repeat, my dear students, for you today's contents. Today we are going to learn chapter number 7, fraction, exercise number 7B, question number 4, study the shaded regions and fill in the boxes. Means we have to study all a fraction, the shaded part, shaded region, and we are fill in the box. Means we are fill the box. Okay, question number 5, observe the grouping and fill in the blanks. Means we have to fill a blanks. And next topic, new topic we are going to learn today, to find the factors of number. What we are going to find, my dear students? Find the factors of number. So let's start here the question number 4. Okay, dear students, so now we will going to learn exercise number 7B, question number 4, study the shaded regions and fill the box. So now let's check here the question number 1. Okay, question number 1 is what, my dear student? Here is rectangular. Okay, here is two fractions shape. See this, both are rectangular. In first rectangular, see this first rectangular. In first rectangular there are 4 parts. How many parts are there, dear students? There are 4 parts. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 parts are there. That's why we are writing in the 4 as in a denominator. And how many parts of shaded by blue color? 1 and 2. 2 part is shaded by blue color. So that's why we are writing in a numerators. Got my points? So 2 by 4. Okay, 2 by 4 fraction. What is a fraction? 2 by 4 is equal to, now same size. Okay, how many boxes are there here? How many parts of this rectangular? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. Total 8 parts are there. That's why we are mentioned in denominator 8. And how many parts are shaded by a blue color? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 part is shaded by a blue color. So that's why, my dear students, we are mentioned in numerator as a 4. Understood? So we are writing as like that all sum. Now we move on the question number B. So let's check here the question number B, my dear students. What is the question number B? Question number B is as like that. Here are 2 circles, 1 and 2, both circle, but in both circle there are different types of parts. See here a circle, this first circle. Okay, in first circle how many parts are there? 2 parts are there. Okay, in denominator always we write the whole part of the fraction. Whole part means full part of the fraction. So total here how many parts? 2 parts. That's why we are mentioned here 2 parts. And how many parts of shaded by blue color? 1. One part is shaded by blue color. That's why we are mentioned here 1. So fraction is what? 1/2, means 1 upon 2, 1 by 2. Understood? Now we move on second circle. So in second circle how many parts are there? In second circle there are 4 parts. In second circle there are 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 parts. Okay. So that's why, my dear students, there are 4 parts. So we are mentioned in a denominator as a 4. Okay. So 4, and how many parts of shaded by blue color? 2 parts is shaded by blue color. That's why, my dear students, we are mentioned in a numerator as 2. So 2 by 4. Understood? Got my points, dear? Okay. Now we move on to question number C. See this figure. Okay. How many parts of the first shape? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 parts. That's why we mention in a 4 parts. Okay. There are 4 parts, and 1 part is shaded by blue color. Okay, my dear students, 1 part is shaded by blue color. That's why we are mentioned is what? 1 upon 4, 1/4. Okay, 1 by 4th, 1 upon 4th, also called 1 upon 4th, 1 by 4th. Understood? Now a second figure. First of all, what we are counting there? There are we are write there a first denominator, and then after we write the numerator. So first of all, we count the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. Total there are 8 parts. Okay, and how many parts is shaded by blue color? There are 2 parts. Okay, is shaded by a blue color. So that's why we are writing 2 upon 8. What we are writing, my dear students? We are writing there a 2 upon 8. Understood? Now a question number D. Let's check here the question number D. How many parts in figure number 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10. Total 10 parts are there. That's why we are writing in 10. Okay, and how many part is shaded by blue color? See this, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 part is shaded by blue color. So that's why how we write the function as like we write the function 4 by 10, 4 upon 10. Understood? Then after we take the next figure, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total there are 5 parts. Okay, and 1 and 2 part is shaded by blue color. So that's why we are writing in 2. Okay, so 2 by 5. Got my point, my dear students? 2 by 5. Understood, dear students? Okay, now we move on further question number E. Let's check here the question number E. In question number E, there are a figure, and figure is and its shape is like a triangle. Okay, so in first triangle, how many parts are in first triangle? 1, 2 and 3. 3 parts are in first triangle. Okay, and how many parts are shaded by blue color? 1 and 2. 2 parts are shaded by which color? Blue color. So that's why we are mentioned 2/3. 2 by 3, 2 upon 3. Now next figure, and we count the what? Parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 parts are there total. Total 6 parts are there. Okay, and 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 part is shaded by blue color, and 6 is what, my dear student? 6 is 6 total parts, whole parts. That's why we are mentioned in denominator 6 and numerator 4. 4 by 6, 4 upon 6. Understood, my dear students? And then now question number F. Let's check here the question number F. See here the square. How many parts of the first square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. Total there are 8 parts. How many parts? 8 parts. Okay, and 2 parts is shaded by which color? Blue color. 2 part is shaded by blue color. That's why we are mentioning 2 upon 8. What, my dear students? That's why we are mentioning 2 upon 8. And then after the next figure, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 parts. Okay, that's why we are mentioning denominator 4. And 1 is shaded by blue color. Okay, so 1 upon 4. Understood, my dear students? Here we have done this. Study the shaded region and fill the boxes. Means now here we have completed this question number 4. Now further we are going to learn new question. Okay, now further we are going to learn new question. Come observe the grouping and filling the blanks. What, dear students? Observe the grouping and filling the blanks. Now my dear students, we are going to learn question number 6. Question number 5, cancel, and question number 6, observe the grouping and fill the blanks. Okay, we have to filling the blanks here only. Okay, now here the circle. See here the first group. How many circles are there here? 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. Okay, and how? So that's why we are writing here the 8. And how many circles filled with a blue color? 6 circle is filled with a blue color. So 6 by 8. And then after the next how many circles are there here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 circles are here. See this. That's why we are mentioning here a 4. Wall circle. This first, second, third and fourth. That's why we are mentioning the denominator 4. Okay, and how many circles are filled shaded by blue color? 1, 2 and 3. 3 circle is shaded by blue color. That's why we are mentioning 3. Okay, 3 by 4. Understood, my dear students? Now we move on the further question. Question number B. Let's check here the question number B. How many square are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 square are there. How many? Total 6 square are there. Understood, my dear students? Okay, and how many square shaded by a blue color? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 color is shaded by blue color, means 4 by 6. How many? 4 by 6. Now further, this circle is, see this circle, 1, 2 and 3. Total 3 circles here, 3, and 2 is shaded by blue color. That's why we are writing 2 upon 3. Understood, my dear students? Now we move on to question number C. Let's check here the question number C. 1, 2 and 3. That's why we are mentioning the denominator as 3, and 2 is shaded by 1 and 2 is shaded by blue color. That's why we are mentioning 2 by 3. Got my point? Understood, my dear students? Now we move on. 1 triangle shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Total there are 9 triangles. How many triangles are there? Total there are 9 triangles, and 6 triangles are shaded by blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 triangles are shaded by blue color. That's why, my students, we are mentioned here 6 upon 9. Means numerator is 6 and denominator is 9. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Now, my dear students, we are going to learn a new topic is to find the factor of number. Okay, which new topic we are going to learn now? To find the fraction of number. What, my dear students? To find the fraction of number. What our new topic is, my dear students? To find the fraction of number. Miss Singh had to write a 15 certificate for the distribution on the school day. What? Mr. Singh had to write a 15 certificates for a distribution on the school day. So, she has written 2 by 5, 2 upon 5 of the certificates. How many certificates has she finished writing? Okay, how many certificates has she finished writing? Means we have to find how many certificates are left to writing. Okay, total there are 15 certificates, and she has written 2 by 5 certificates. Understood, my dear students? Means what? Now we are going to check what is the meaning of this. Find the fraction. How will find? 2 by 5 means what? 2 of 5 equal parts. Means what? See here, this 2 upon 5 means 2 of 5 equal parts. Okay, put a 15 into 5 equal groups. What, my dear students? put a 15 into 5 equal parts. Put 15 into 5 equal parts means 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. How can it possible? In table number 5, 50 will come or not, my dear students? Yes, it will be come. But where? So now let's check the table number 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 50. So see here, what we are mentioning here, 5 threes are 50. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and 5 threes are 50. Each part has 3 certificates. Okay, how many certificates each part has? 3. See here, 5 threes are 15. 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by, see this, 15 divided by 5. Okay, so answer is what? 3. And then after, what to do, my dear students? This 3 is, we are going to multiply with this digit. Okay, so 2 part is 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to what? 6. But how can it possible? 2 threes are 6. Okay, understood? 2 threes are 6. 6 books are there. Means 2 by 5 of 15 is equal to 6. Okay, 2 by 5 means 2 upon 5 of 15 is equal to 6. Now answer is what, my dear students? Means she has finished writing a 6 certificate so far. Understood, my dear students? We have to only mention here the digit. First of all, what we do here the division, and then after we do multiplication. Means multiply with the which digit, means which words? Numerator. Okay, so first of all, this digit means 15. Divide with what? Denominators, and then we got the answer, and answer with a numerator. Understood? And then after, now my dear students, only we are mention here the digit, means answer. Okay, no need to write a full sentence. Got my points? Now we move on to example number 1. So let's check here the example number 1. So example number 1 is what is the 3 by 4 of 20? What, my dear students? What is a 3 by 4 of 20? Means what to do here, my dear students? 20, first we take the 20. Okay, here is 2 step. Okay, my dear students, now I am telling you one thing here. To find the fraction of number, whenever we are solve the find the fraction of number, okay, that time you 2 step keep it in mind. First step is what? Divide the number by the denominators. Okay, what is the first step? Divide means division, and second step is the multiplication. Short key is what? First of all division, and then after the multiplication. Okay, so first step, divide the number by the denominator, and the step 2, multiply the quotient you get by the numerator. Understood? Again I repeat, dear students, divide the number by the denominator. Okay, and then after the second step, multiply the quotient you get by the numerators. Okay, now check here. See this 20, we take the 20 and down digit means denominators. Here which denominators? 4 is the denominator and 3 is the numerator. So first step is what? 20 divided with the denominator. So 20 divided by 4. Okay, so now how will check, my dear students? In table number 4, 20 will come or not? Yes, 20 will come. 4 5s are 20. Where? 4 5s are 20. So what is our answer? 5. 4, see this, 4 5s are 20. Understood? Now second step, multiply the quotient you will get by the numerator. Now 5 is our quotient. Multiply the quotient with which digit? Okay, with numerator. See this, here is our numerator. So 5 3s are 50. See this, our quotient 5 and this numerator is 3. So 5 3s are how many, my dear students? 15. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, and 5 3s are 50. 5 3s are 50. So now answer is what, my dear students? 50. 3 upon 4 of 20 is equal to 50. Understood, my dear students? This is your example number 1. Here is done. Okay, again I repeat, my dear student, here step number 1 and step number 2. First, what is the step number 1? Step number 1 is what? Divide the number by the denominator. In homework, my dear students, you are write the step 5 times. How many times? 5 times. What is the first step? Divide the number by the denominator, and second step, multiply the quotient you get by the numerator. Understood? Divide the number by the denominator, and step number 2, multiply the quotient you get by the numerator. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Now, my dear students, we are going to learn example number 2. Let's check here the example number 2. How many minutes are there in the 5/6 of an hour? And hour has a 16 minutes. See here, what is the question? How many minutes are there in 5/6 of an hour? In hour, how many minutes will come? 16. 16 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 16 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So see this here, 1 hour has a 16 minutes. So 5/6 of 16. So this 16 we take and divide with 6. Okay. So my dear students, in table number 6, 60 will come. Yes. Where? 6 tens are 16. Where, my dear students? 6 tens are 16. Understood? Got my point, my dear students? 6 tens are 16. Okay. Then after this quotient is multiplied with 5. This quotient is multiplied with 5. Understood, my dear students? So now we are going to apply here the next step. Step number 2 says, what is the second step? 10 multiplied by 5. So 10 5s are 15. What, my dear students? 10 5s are 15. So now answer is what? 15. 15 minutes. Okay. 5/6 of an hour as a 15 minutes. What? Answer is what, my dear students? 5/6 of an hour as a 15 minutes. Understood, my dear students? Okay. Now further, my dear students, here we are going to learn new exercise number 7C, question number 2, what is? Okay. Example number 1, 2 we have done as like we have performed question number 2. So let's check here the question number 2 what is, and it is the question number 1, aim. Okay. So now 2/3 of 27. Okay, 2/3 of 27. So first of all, what we are 2/3 of 27. So now for what to do? First step is what? This digit 27 divide with a denominator. Okay, here is denominator is 3. Okay, so my dear students, first of all, here we do the step number 1. What? Divide means division. So 27 will in table number 3, 27 will come or not? Yes, 27 will come on the table number 3. But where? 3 9s are 27. See here, 3 9s are 27. Got my point, my dear students? 3 9s are 27. 27 minus 27 means 0. Okay. Now what we got here? The quotient. We got here the 9. Okay. And now do the step number 2. Multiply with quotient. So what is the quotient? 9. 9 multiplied by 2 means 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. Okay. 9 2s are 18. So what is our answer? 18. 1 8 18. So 2/3 of 18. Okay. 2/3 of 18. Understood? Now we move on to question number 2. 2/5 of 20. What, my dear students? 2/5 of 20 means 2/5 of 20. Okay. Today now only 2 questions we are going to learn, and further question we are going to learn in next session. Understood? So now here last sum 2/5 of 20. 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5. Now let's check here. Okay, in table number 5 20 will come or not, my dear students? Let's check here. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, and 5 4s are 20. So 5 4s are 20 we are mentioned here. 5 4s are 20. So 20 minus 20, how many, my dear students? 0. 20, see this, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now here we got the 4, okay, quotient 4. Now quotient multiply with the numerator. So here we write the first quotient is 4, see this quotient is 4, and now then after multiply, and then we write the numerator. See this here, numerator 2, and here we write the 2. Okay, and now we do, my dear students, multiplication. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. Understood, my dear students? This is your question number 2. I hope you all are understood. Okay, now today's your homework is what? Example number 1 and 2. Write 2 times in your rough book, and question number 1 means A or B, you are write in your fair book 1 times. Okay, and today only we do the